You know that little sweet fruit you probably don't think much about? Dates? Well, what if I told you that eating just a few of them every day after you turn 50 could actually change how your body feels and works? Yep, those tiny natural treats carry some powerful benefits that many people miss out on. But before you start munching a whole bunch, there's something important you need to know. How many dates can you safely eat daily without any surprises? And who might need to be a bit careful? Stick around because in this video we'll break down the good, the caution, and the perfect daily amount. Oh, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This could be a game changer for your health. Have you ever noticed any difference after eating dates, good or bad? Maybe a friend or family member has? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback matters. So what will happen to your body if you regularly consumed dates? 1. Dates have a natural sweetness because they contain fructose, a fruit sugar. But here's the important part. Dates have a low glycemic index, so they don't cause sudden blood sugar spikes. This makes them an excellent choice for people over 50, especially diabetics, who need to keep their blood sugar levels steady and avoid crashes. 2. One of the standout benefits of eating dates after 50 is their high dietary fiber content. This fiber works by binding to cholesterol in your digestive system, stopping it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. By reducing LDL or bad cholesterol, dates help lower the risk of heart disease, a major concern as we age. It's a natural, tasty way to support your heart health every day. 3. Dates are packed with antioxidants, natural compounds that help fight harmful free radicals in your body. These free radicals can damage your cells over time, leading to aging and chronic diseases. By neutralizing them, the antioxidants in dates protect your cells, support your immune system, and lower the risk of conditions like heart disease and cancer. It's a simple way to keep your body healthier as you age. 4. Dates are rich in two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water, softening stools to relieve constipation, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to help prevent diarrhea. Together, they regulate your digestion and soothe inflammation in your gut, making dates a gentle and effective choice for better digestive health after 50. 5. Dates contain amino acids and fiber that act like food for the good bacteria in your gut. This helps beneficial bacteria grow strong, which supports digestion and overall gut health. At the same time, these nutrients help flush out harmful bacteria, keeping your digestive system balanced and healthy. An important benefit for anyone over 50 aiming to feel their best every day. 6. Potassium is vital for keeping your heart beating steadily, your muscles working smoothly, and your nervous system responsive. Dates are rich in this essential mineral, helping regulate heart rate and support healthy breathing. Eating dates daily after 50 means you're giving your body important nutrients to maintain strength, balance, and overall vitality as you age. 7. Vitamins B in dates play a key role in turning the food you eat into energy, helping you feel less tired throughout the day. They also support healthy metabolism, which is especially important after 50. Plus, by helping regulate blood sugar levels, these vitamins assist in managing weight naturally, making dates a smart addition to your daily routine. 8. Feeling more energized in the bedroom after 50 is possible, and dates might help. Research shows their rich nutrients and antioxidants can boost sexual stamina and even reduce fertility issues. These natural compounds support blood flow and hormone balance, making dates a simple, tasty way to enhance your vitality and confidence as you age. 9. Iron is essential for making red blood cells, and dates are a good natural source. Eating dates regularly helps boost red blood cell production, which lowers the risk of anemia, a common concern after 50. This means you can avoid symptoms like fatigue and weakness, keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day. 10. Dates are packed with important minerals like selenium, manganese, and copper, all of which play a key role in keeping your bones strong. These minerals help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a common concern as we age. Including dates in your daily diet is a tasty way to support your bone health after 50. 11. Dates help lower LDL or bad cholesterol by preventing it from sticking to your arteries. This reduces plaque buildup, which is a major cause of heart disease. For anyone over 50, including dates in your diet is a simple, natural way to protect your heart and keep blood flowing smoothly as you age. 12. Potassium in dates works hand in hand with sodium to keep your blood pressure in check. It helps your body flush out excess sodium, which can raise blood pressure if left unchecked. This balance supports a healthy heart rhythm and reduces the risk of hypertension, making dates a smart natural choice for heart health after 50. 13. Some early studies suggest that compounds in dates, like phenols, flavonoids, and antioxidants, may help slow down tumor growth in the abdominal area. While more research is needed, these natural nutrients show promise in reducing the risk of certain cancers. Including dates in your diet could be a simple way to add extra protection as you age. What are the side effects of eating dates? Eating dates every day after 50 can bring many health benefits, but it's important to be aware of potential side effects if you overdo it. First off, dates are calorie-dense and high in natural sugars. Eating too many can lead to unwanted weight gain, especially if you're not balancing your overall diet. Another thing to watch out for is blood sugar spikes. Although dates have a low glycemic index, consuming them in large amounts can still raise your blood sugar, which is something to be cautious about if you have diabetes or blood sugar concerns. Dates are also rich in potassium, which is generally good for you, but too much potassium can strain your kidneys, especially if you already have kidney problems. So, it's best to consult your doctor if you have any kidney conditions before increasing your date intake. Some people might experience allergic reactions because dried dates sometimes contain sulfites used as preservatives. If you notice symptoms like skin rashes, asthma attacks, or stomach pain after eating dates, it's wise to stop and see a healthcare professional. In summary, moderation is key. Enjoying a handful of dates daily can support your health, but avoid overeating. Listening to your body and balancing dates with a varied diet will help you reap the benefits without the risks. How many dates are safe to eat daily? When it comes to eating dates daily after 50, moderation is key. Experts generally recommend consuming about 3 to 6 dates per day, which is roughly 100 grams. This amount provides plenty of nutrients without overloading your body with calories or sugar. However, if you have specific health conditions like kidney disease, you'll want to be more cautious. Dates are high in potassium, so it's best to consult your doctor to find the right amount for you. Also, keep in mind the difference between fresh and dried dates. Dried dates are more concentrated in sugars and calories since the water is removed, so stick to smaller portions compared to fresh dates. Overall, enjoying a handful of dates daily can support your health while keeping things balanced. Listening to your body and adjusting intake as needed will help you get the best benefits safely. Let's talk more about other benefits of eating dates daily. When it comes to the health benefits of dates, scientific research is revealing some impressive findings. One area gaining attention is their potential anti-tumor activity. Studies suggest that compounds found in dates, like phenols, flavonoids, and antioxidants such as beta-D-glucan, may help slow down the growth of cancer cells. While most of this research is still in early stages, it offers promising insights into how these natural compounds might support cancer prevention. Animal studies have also shown that dates contribute to heart and vascular health. These studies highlight how dates help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow, which is crucial for lowering the risk of heart disease. The anti-inflammatory effects come from natural compounds in dates that help calm the body's inflammatory response, protecting organs and tissues over time. Fiber is another key player in dates' health benefits. The high fiber content supports healthy digestion by regulating bowel movements and feeding good gut bacteria. It also helps control blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing risks of obesity and related health issues. Beyond the heart and digestion, some research suggests that dates may support brain health too. Preliminary studies indicate that the antioxidants and other compounds in dates could help protect brain cells and potentially slow down conditions like Alzheimer's disease. While more human trials are needed to confirm these benefits fully, the current scientific evidence shows that adding dates to your diet after 50 can offer a range of protective effects, helping you maintain vitality and health naturally. Conclusion. To wrap it up, eating dates every day after 50 offers several powerful health benefits. From supporting heart health and improving digestion to boosting energy and protecting your brain, dates are a natural way to stay vibrant as you age. However, remember that moderation is key. Too many dates can lead to weight gain or affect blood sugar, and some people may need to watch their potassium intake. Being mindful of these factors ensures you enjoy dates safely. Incorporating a handful of dates into your daily diet can be a simple, tasty step toward better health. It's all about balance and listening to your body. So, why not add this natural superfood to your routine and take a small but meaningful step toward a healthier, more energetic you? Natural foods like dates can truly make a difference in your well being.